Okay, so I'm gonna do this video today because I've been receiving quite a few Skypes about how I'm able to go from my CAD program to my ZBrush program and get through the whole triangle polygon thing. Talking to a few people, and they go about it a little bit different way than I do. This is my way. I think it's pretty effective, so I just thought I would share this little video with you guys about how I get it done. Okay, this is Monarch, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to bust one out in Monarch. Okay, there we go. Just going to do something quick and easy inside Monarch here. Alright, my screen I've got it pretty small, so some of my icons look kind of small, but that's alright. Okay, let's just put a sketch in here. Let's do it like this. Turn my grid off here. Draw a rectangle out. Something like that. Make it 25 by 25. Okay. Grab another sketch, grab curve references off my edges. For those of you who have never seen Monarch, this is the sketch environment inside of VX. Gonna offset this curve in, I don't know, a couple millimeters towards the inside. I'm gonna project that sketch down. Actually, I probably don't even have to do that. I'm just going to do an inlay on that. Inlay this top face with these curves. I'm going to inlay it about a millimeter. Don't want that point in there. There we go. Alright, so how do I get this piece of geometry into ZBrush for easy sculpting? Well, in Monarch, they don't work with OBJ files. So what I need to do is I need to export this as an STL. I'm just going to throw this on my desktop. Let's call this example. Let's call it a box and save. Click OK. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to minimize Monarch and go into Mesh Lab. I'll pause this for a second while I get this into view. Okay, so here we are in Mesh Lab here. Got my STL file here. All I'm going to do inside of Mesh Lab is I'm just going to save it as an OBJ file. Call it box. Save. That's Mesh Lab's kind of craziness there. There we go. Should have that. Alright, so now let's go into ZBrush. Alright, so we're inside of ZBrush. Again, my screen's minimized. So what I want to do is I want to import this OBJ. First, we got to throw it into a 2D setup. So we're going to click on Simple Brush. We're going to import my desktop. Oops. Example box. Drag this box up. Alright. Frame this bad boy. If I go into polyframe, you obviously see it's triangles. Well, how the heck can we do anything with this if it's triangles? Well, if you go into your subtool here, there's a remesh function. We're going to turn off the x-axis and we're going to do something like, I don't know, just do 512 resolution with a polish of 8 and we're going to remesh. What this is going to do is there we go. Basically, what it's doing is it's redoing the geometry, making it a little more ZBrush friendly. The remeshing shouldn't take too long. Depends on the speed of your computer. This is not that best of a computer. It's an XP. It's 32-bit, maybe 3 gigs of RAM. It's not too much. Stronger computers will do this faster, and you can handle higher polygon counts. Okay, so if you turn off the visibility, make the second tool active, you'll see that it is quads now. I've got one more step here. I'm going to turn on the visibility of both subtools. And I'm going to hit PA blur of 8, and I'm going to reproject the bottom details into the outside. So I'm going to push the triangles into the quads one more time. And turn off the visibility, and if you zoom in, that is all quads. Alright, take polyframe off. Just go ahead and delete this first subtool. We don't need it anymore. Drag rectangle, let's just, I don't know, grab an alpha here. I don't know, grab something cooler than that. Going into my library here. Alphas, scrolls, alphas, let's see here. Let's say you wanted to do something like this. Double click, bring that out. And what we could do here is drag that baby out. And there you go. Triangles to quads inside a ZBrush. Hope you enjoyed it.